After the failed conquest of Constantinople in 626, the Avars moved west and began to occupy Serbian lands. The Serbs never tolerated usurpers or be under someone else's authority, which is why in 636 they organized an uprising. To their aid comes Samo with his warrior company, and joint forces do they defeat the Avars. The Serbs, as the great warriors, were delighted with Samo's courage and warrior skills. They decide that he should be their leader, and so begins the creation of Samo's kingdom. In Fredegar's Chronicle, the writer states that Samo is a trader and has a Frank origin, which is absolutely incorrect, because Samo was a Lusatian Serb, a great warrior, leader and king of the northern Serbs. Archaeological findings indicate that the Samos Empire was situated in present-day Moravia, Slovakia, Lower Austria, and Slovenia. Samo was in alliance with Valiuk, a Serbian duke in Carantania, which was a part of Samo's kingdom. The joint forces successfully repelled the Avar attacks. The Serbs were getting stronger and started to move west into the Frankish territories. On one occasion, they intercepted the Frankish merchants and seized their goods. The Frankish king Dagobert sends his envoy Sicarius to Samo to seek justice. Samo offered friendship, but Sicarius refused, insulting Samo and his people by calling them dogs. To these insults Samo expelled envoys from his castle, saying that the Serbs will tear Frankia and their army apart. King Dagobert, furious that the Serbs had refused to obey, sends against them his armed forces from Austrasia. 3 armies marched against them: Alemanni, Lombards, and Austrasians, who were led personally by King Dagobert. After 3 days of fighting at Wagastisburg, where the main units of the Serbian army were, Dagobert was defeated and forced to withdraw. After such a major victory, the Serbian Duke Dervan joins Samo's alliance, and the Serbs begin to invade Thuringia. Because of the great troubles that the Serbs were causing them, the Franks had to form a line, the so-called Limes Serabicus, or the border towards the Serbs. Samo died at 658. Although he had many sons, no one succeeded him to the throne. After his death, the Avars began to invade the Serbian territories again. The great Moravian principality that was later formed, is considered to be the heir to the Samos' kingdom.